Hey tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. It's your host, and today we're diving deep into the much anticipated Nvidia RTX 50 series, especially after the exciting reveals at CES 2025. We're not just talking about a simple spec bump here, folks. We're looking at a potential paradigm shift in gaming and graphics technology. So buckle up, because we have got a lot to cover. From the new models DLSS 4 to the ingenious ways Nvidia is leveraging AI. Transition to graphics of RTX 50 series cards and CES 2025 footage. Okay, first things first, let's talk about the lineup. CES 2025 gave us a clearer picture, although details are still coming in. As expected, we've got the titan of the series, the RTX 5090. It's boasting some insane numbers, rumored to have a substantial increase in CUDA cores, clock speeds that are pushing boundaries, and a new architecture.
Code-named Blackwell architecture.
It's not just a generational leap, it's a quantum leap in performance. Below that, the RTX 5080 aims for the enthusiast crowd, offering a sweet spot of performance and price. And of course, we have other options, like the RTX 5070, 5060, and 5050, each with its own purpose and target audience. What's most exciting is the increased memory bandwidth and capacity across all models, enabling smoother, high-resolution gaming and AI workflows. Also, Nvidia made an emphasis on power efficiency during the CES keynote, so we are expecting significant performance gains while keeping the power draw relatively low. Now, let's move on to the real game changer, DLSS 4. Nvidia gave us a detailed look at this at CES, and it is far beyond what we have seen before. It's not just about upscaling anymore, it's about image reconstruction and enhancement using cutting-edge AI algorithms. We're talking about rendering at lower resolutions and then having DLSS 4 not just upscale it, but also add detail, reduce noise, and improve color accuracy, making the image virtually indistinguishable from a native high-resolution render. During the live demos, they showcased how DLSS 4 is capable of handling even the most complex and demanding scenes, providing a huge performance boost without compromising visual quality. Imagine games that are just getting better and better looking while getting more and more optimized, which is something we have not seen before. Now, here's where Nvidia really threw us a curveball: AI-powered frame generation. This isn't just about improving image quality, it's about completely changing the way we think about performance tiers in GPUs. Nvidia demonstrated at CES how they are using AI to generate entirely new frames, instead of simply rendering them, thereby doubling or even tripling the frame rate in some instances. So a card like the RTX 5070, which traditionally wouldn't be able to compete with an RTX 4090, can now leverage AI frame generation to deliver similar or even higher frame rates. Now, of course, the question remains, what is the trade-off in visual fidelity? Well, based on the demos shown at CES, the differences are minimal and sometimes even imperceptible with the naked eye. This is a bold move from Nvidia, as it could be used to provide high performance at a more affordable price point. But of course, the higher-end models will still be pushing the boundaries with raw power and optimized AI frame generation. But let's not ignore the potential controversies. There are questions on how reliable AI-generated frames are, and whether they might introduce unexpected artifacts or issues in certain games. Nvidia has assured that they are constantly refining their algorithms to minimize any negative side effects, but it is something we need to keep an eye on, especially during the first few months of the series launch. We also saw the presentation on Nvidia ACE during CES. ACE, or Avatar Cloud Engine, is a set of technologies that aims to enhance and change the world of gaming. It can allow NPCs to react to the user's in-game inputs, making the game more realistic and immersive. It also includes facial and speech animation. This further confirms NVIDIA's push into the AI space. So there you have it, a deep dive into the Nvidia RTX 50 series based on everything we've heard so far, especially after the groundbreaking CES 2025 event. We're looking at a future where AI isn't just a feature, it's fundamental to how we experience gaming and graphics in general. It's an exciting yet also slightly unpredictable future, and I cannot wait to see how all of this will play out once these cards are launched. What are your thoughts about this new era of GPUs and AI-powered technologies? Let me know in the comments, share this video with your friends, and as always, hit that subscribe button for more exciting tech updates. We'll see you in the next video.